Hey all beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I am Vaishnavi Pranjay and those who are new, please do consider subscribing. So as it's November and the winters are back, so I thought why not make a video on lip balms, because in winters lip balms are essential and most important part of a skincare routine. So here are my 5 favorite lip balms that I opt for in winters. So let's get started. For me, on number 5 is Maybelline New York Baby Lips lip balm in the shade Berry Crush. It comes in this roll-on stick which is convenient to carry. Also the quantity is enough कि आपका एक सीजन आराम से निकल जाए. Maybelline's lip balm is slightly tinted. Now this lip balm contains coconut oil and vitamin E, so it will keep your lips nice and soft for a long time. But obviously it's a lip balm, so you have to keep reapplying it. Now it says that it gives 16 hours of moisturization, but lip balm है तो आपको reapply करते रहना पड़ेगा. And again, if it is a winter season, उस वक्त lips और skin ज़्यादा dry होती है, तो you have to always reapply lip balm. On number 4, I prefer using Rich Cocoa Butter Lip Care from Himalaya. This is how the outer packaging looks like. Again, this comes with this roll-on stick. So this is not a tinted product, so it will not give any tint to your lips. This is made up from 100% natural vitamin E and antioxidants. But इसके जो actual ingredients है वो cardboard packaging पे भी नहीं दिए हैं, and not even on this packaging they have given. They have only mentioned that it is made from 100% natural vitamin E and antioxidants and free from petroleum jelly, mineral oil, silicones and preservatives. Now this lip balm is really good for dry and chapped lips. After applying the product, your lips will feel nice and soft for really good amount of time, which I loved about this product. So it is on number 4th in my list. Now according to my list, on number 3 is this Nivea lip balms. I have 2 of them. One is Berry Shine and the other one is Cherry Shine. Again the product comes in roll-on packaging. This is Berry Shine, which is maroonish in shade. Now this product is lightly tinted and it has fragrance. Cherry Shine is pinkish in color and it has fragrance of cherry and it smells yum. And the Berry Shine has fragrance of berries. Blueberry जैसा smell करता है Berry Shine and it's really nice. Nivea lip balm will hydrate your lips for really long time. Also you can keep reapplying it, और actually lip balms को reapply करते भी रहना चाहिए क्योंकि एक point के बाद में उतना moisturize नहीं करता है, उतना hydrate नहीं करता है. So to keep your lips fresh and soft, you should apply and reapply the lip balms. Now on number 2, I prefer Sugar lip balm, which comes in this cute glass cardboard packaging. Also ये जो lip balm है ये straw के तरह दिया है इन लोगों ने, which is really cute. One thing I love about Sugar is that their products are packed really well. Their packaging is so cute. It is so beautiful, and not only the packaging, the products are beautiful, and I love that about Sugar. So big alert, here is the Sugar fan. So coming back, this is a really nice product. मैंने इसके पहले भी यूज़ किया है, ऐसा नहीं कि ये पहली बार है. और स्पेशली मैंने इसका जो पैकेजिंग है कार्डबोर्ड पैकेजिंग वो इसलिए रखा बिकॉज आई रियली लव देयर पैकेजिंग. सो जस्ट टू शो यू ऑल मैंने ये पैकेजिंग रखा है. अदरवाइज के बाकी लिप बाम्स के जो पैकेजिंग थे वो काफ़ी नॉर्मल पैकेजिंग थे. सो आई थॉट दैट यू नो एवरीबडी नोज हाउ द लिप बाम कम्स, बट दिस इज क्वाइट डिफरेंट, इसलिए मैंने रखा था ये. अगेन द प्रोडक्ट कम्स इन दिस रोल ऑन पैकेजिंग. द शेड इज 07 Bramble. It is nice purple color. So they say that this product is enriched with camellia oil, jojoba oil and shea butter. Also this lip balm has SPF and this product is cruelty free. So this has to be my favorite product. Both are tinted lip balms. इसका tint थोड़ा सा pinkish में है. Again इसका tint थोड़ा सा baby pink में आता है. So according to my list, this product is on number 2, and just to that, the product which is number 1 on my list is is this Vaseline Petroleum Jelly, which is for rupees 42, which is really cheap and really affordable. This is the best product I opt for my lips. Every night before going to bed, I apply this, and in the morning the lips are really soft, supple and nice. For me, this product brings back the softness of my lip. मैंने काफ़ी सालों से यूज़ कर रही हूँ, बहुत बचपन से यूज़ कर रही हूँ. It is really a nice product. And there is no product which replaces this product for me. Definitely travel के लिए ये नहीं है. From the COVID thing, every time you just can't put your hands and apply this. So for travel thing, this roll-on bullet lip balms are the best. But otherwise, अगर आप night में घर पे हो and if you want your lips to be really so soft, supple and nice, you should go for Vaseline. So this is the product I apply religiously on my lips from so many years, and also this product goes for really long time अगर आप lips के लिए ही use कर रहे हो. Otherwise, you know, many people use this on face and all, but I haven't tried it, so I'll not recommend that. But yeah, for lips, this is one of the best product according to my experience, and everyone should give it one shot. That's it for today's video. I hope you like the video, and if you do, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, till we meet again, stay happy, stay beautiful and lots of love.